Yo, 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 what's up, YouTube family? Thanks for all your support with the first video. The snow finally melted, so here goes the second. Hope everybody enjoys it. Let's get it. My steering damper, I want to turn this baby up. And we'll see. Yeah, I want to turn this baby up. And we'll see. We'll put it into 4. And see what it does in 4. Oh, shoot. God. Oh, gosh. Woo, shit. Oh my God. Holy smokes. I don't have enough runway, y'all. And this steering damper is a little too stiff. I could barely turn it. Holy cow. That's insane. And this is, whew. All right. No. Hell no. I am good. I'm gonna leave this one freshly charged. Hey y'all, so I'm not sure if y'all caught on to what I said, but I'm gonna leave this to freshly charged. And just all the professionals. Shout out to, all my e-scooter brothers, and y'all be safe out there, brothers and sisters. Where are your equipment? And 65 is just plenty for me. I'm just gonna be honest. I mean, when I bought it, the 80 miles per hour sounded good, but even with the steering damper and the PMT tires, man, I got the 67 and I'm just like, nah. I'm good. So, at this point, I'm just gonna cruise around town. Feel free to stick around, enjoy the rest of the video. And the scenery. At the end of the video, I'm gonna give my Big Dog's Garage rating on this scooter and who I think is best suited for. All right, y'all, enjoy. Hey everybody, as promised, I'm going to give this scooter the Big Dogs Garage rating. And for this scooter, the Emove Roadster, I'm going to go with a 9 out of 10, y'all. I really enjoyed this scooter. I had a blast. I enjoyed every moment of riding it. No range anxiety. My battery, I had to do at least 24 miles. And I promise you guys, it barely even moved. I can't remember off the top of my head, but I had way over 75%. It was just insane. And I was riding aggressively at 6'3", 300 plus with gear on, size 15 shoe. I love it has an IP rating. It started to drizzle a little bit. I didn't have any range anxiety. The speed is there if I need it. The sine wave controllers are great for throttle response. The stem, I love the stem. It's not foldable, but I don't really need to put this in my truck. I can take this wherever I need to go. This replaces transportation. I got a couple of vehicles, couple of toys, and this is definitely something, my go-to right now. I do have something else I really enjoy. I'm gonna drop that footage soon. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. This is a new channel, and shout out to all my, brothers and sisters, e-scooter riders, e-bikes, all y'all. Stay safe out there. Make sure you wear your gear. I'm checking out Big Dog's Garage.